要靠近免费答题，为确保安全，不要把手或任何。Please stand back from the automatic platform gate and wait behind the yellow line. For safety reasons.
聽過 Facebook 嗰啲鐵路迷講咧，呢部車嘅車房咧，有機會搭就要搭㗎啦。如果再近距離拍就會再好啲，不過。